Name or give the formula for the following type 3 compounds. So type 3 compounds are molecular compounds or covalent compounds, which are made of two non-metals in this case. So you'll notice in all these examples there are no metals. Type 3 are in some ways the easiest to name and write the formulas from if you can remember the list of prefixes. So mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, so on and so forth. And if you know those, then you are in good shape. So we look at the first one here, diphosphorus pentafluoride. What you need to know then is that di means 2, and phosphorus, of course, means phosphorus, which is P. So then you put the 2 down there to show that there's 2 of them. Pentasulfide means 5 sulfurs. So penta means 5. So P2S5 is a diphosphorus pentasulfide. So notice for these type 3 or molecular compounds that the number does matter in the name this time. The 2 P's reflected in the name by saying diphosphorus. You know you'll never do this with ionic compounds, any type of ionic compound, only with molecular compounds. If you look at B, it says sulfur hexafluoride. Now note there's nothing in front of the sulfur. When it's the first non-metal in the name and there's only one of them, you don't use the term mono. So in this case, sulfur just means there's one sulfur. You would use it if there was the second one here, like carbon monoxide. You'd say that, meaning one oxygen, but the carbon wouldn't get a mono in front of it. Hexafluoride, hexa is the prefix for 6, and so that means sulfur hexafluoride is SF6. Going the other way is just as easy if you know the prefixes. PCl5 means 1 phosphorus, so we'll call it just phosphorus. Remember, you don't use the mono if it's the first non-metal. So it would be phosphorus pentachloride. So the penta means the 5. That's what's telling us we have 5 chlorines there. D, 2 N's and 3 O's here. So the prefix for 2 is di. So we would have dinitrogen. And there's 3 oxygens, so it would be trioxide. Note that the second non-metal here gets the ending "ide" in all these cases, but the first one just gets the prefix, so diphosphorus, not phosphide, right? That's only the second one.